So we're here today, we're in Austin. This is Domain, and we are here to check out the new MacBook Neo and see what else they launched. So let's go in. Hey, bud. I have a pickup.
Okay, and is she filming in here?
She's filming with me.
Okay, I don't want to be on it, and,
No, that's fine.
and we'll ask you not to do it in store.
Sure.
It's the only thing.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday, March 10th, and we are getting ready here to head out in a little bit. We're going to the airport, going to Google's campus in Austin, Texas for a YouTube creator event, and then we plan to go hands-on with the new MacBook products as well. So let's go. All right, we got a couple minutes here before our flight board, so let's talk about why we are going to Austin. So now, if you guys have been following me on here for a while, you know that I've been doing YouTube, and I actually got the chance to take YouTube a little bit more seriously and double down on it because I was let go of my full-time engineering or IT job after 8 years. So I figured now is probably a better time than ever to really take YouTube seriously and start doubling down. So that's why we are going to that creator event. So. All right, guys, so now it's Wednesday morning. It is the 11th. This is MacBook Neo release day, and we are in Austin. Met up with Laura last night. Laura, say hi.
Hey.
Met up with Laura last night. It was late getting into Austin because of all the storms, but regardless, good flight. Glad that I'm here. We are downtown, and we're going to go check out some coffee right now, and then after that, we're going to go to the Apple store and see the Neo and everything else that they announced and head over to YouTube later on this afternoon. So let's go. So we're here today, we're in Austin. This is Domain, and we are here to check out the new MacBook Neo and see what else they launched. So let's go in. Hey, bud. I have a pickup.
Okay, and is she filming in here?
She's filming with me.
Okay, I don't want to be on it, and,
No, that's fine.
and we'll ask you not to do it in store.
Sure.
It's the only thing.
Okay.
It's going to be the table in the very corner.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just what's the, she's not allowed to film in here?
We ask that people don't film in here.
Okay.
Out of courtesy, but yeah, it's just a policy that Apple has.
Okay.
That we ask. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I stopped recording.
Yeah, that's, sure, that's fine, I guess. Let's sit down.
Okay.
This is good decision content. Do I want to unbox it here or not? I think the answer is yes, probably, right? I mean, you got to unbox it here because we're at the Apple store. We're in Austin. We got to unbox it here, right? So let's do that. Oh, good thing the thing did not get wet. So we have Indigo, 512 gigs. Let's check it out. Ow. Ooh, it says hello down here on the bottom. That's new. All right. Oh my God, it's like so tiny. First look. I think it's, oh wow. Oh, I should have brought stickers. Oh, I didn't bring stickers. I can't believe it. Here we go for MacBook Neo Power On. What do you think of the color? I think it's, yeah, Laura, I'm asking you, what do you think of it?
It's really nice. That's why I was like, you can't take the silver one. If you have this as an option, no way.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, the keys are color matched.
Keys are color matched.
Yeah. No, the cable's not color matched. What the hell? What the hell, Tim? And we get a white power brick. Same one from the iPhone, 20 watts. Here's what flipped my mind when I was at the airport. I went from, I'm embarrassed to be here talking in front of camera, right? Because I'm like holding the camera like this, to these people don't pay my bills. So I need to not be embarrassed and not worry about it.
Right on.
That's exactly what it was. And that's the change of your frame. So you're like, I don't even care.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just leaving the Apple store and we're trying to get to Google in the next few minutes because otherwise we're going to be late and won't get in. Hi.
I don't think I've ever been in a truck before.
Yeah, me either. Thanks very much. Quite the place, big room, a lot of people here. There's Miss Laura. Hi, Miss Laura. So the thing here is that everyone,
Men, women,
men, women, children, dogs,
probably people's pets.
everyone here is wearing athleisure.
Athleisure.
I have no idea why.
Is it aloe?
Yeah, I don't know what
I
it
don't
is.
know, but the logo kind of looks.
The logo does look like a penis. I don't know why. Everyone in Austin is wearing.
Lululemon everywhere.
It must be a big market for them. So weird. So it's 9:45 at night, and we're just getting back to the hotel room, and I have the MacBook Neo, and I just want to say I kind of love it. So this is the indigo one. I ordered the silver one, and I didn't like the silver in person. I have the citrus one coming to my house tomorrow, but unfortunately I'm just not there. And I wanted to get this, and I do like this. It looks really good in person. It's like, I'd say denim colored, maybe. Babe, is this, what do you think? This is my wife back here. She's working. Is it like denim colored, violet colored?
Indigo is a color of blue.
I mean, it does look nice in person. And what's really nice is the keypad, or the keyboard. I really like the way the keyboard looks. It's not backlit. The only thing that is backlit is the shift lock key, where that will turn on, or it has a green light when it's turned on. The trackpad's actually really nice to use, or it's refreshing, because most people have not used a actual physical trackpad in a very long time, myself included. So it is nice. It is small. It is light. It's definitely lighter than my MacBook Pro, which is, I think, maybe by a pound. I'd have to actually measure it, but to get the exact number. But it is nice to use. Now, when I got to the store, they did not want to let me film in the store, which I was a little bit bummed out about, because kind of like at the point that we were there, we were able to get into the store, look at the Studio Display XDR and the Studio Display 2, but they told us that we had to stop filming immediately, and they wouldn't let us film, which I thought was kind of a bummer. So we didn't get to capture a lot of stuff on camera, which is a little bit different than our experiences in the past when we'd gone to the Apple stores. Maybe this is something new, but whatever. The MacBook Air and the iPad Air look essentially the same. It's really hard to tell the difference. You know, the two salient products that they have in the store were the MacBook Neo and the Studio Display XDR. When we were looking at the Studio Display XDR, I was actually a little bit surprised, because I was looking there. They had a Studio Display 2, then the Studio Display 2 with nano texture, and then they had the Studio Display XDR. And when I showed Laura the one with nano texture, she's like, "Is this broken? Because it looks really, really dark." And it does look very dark, but it turned out that the display brightness slider was not working. But when we looked at the Studio Display XDR, she's like, "Whoa, that is seriously bright." And it actually is very, very bright. So I am very excited to see what it looks like in person, in like a room where I'm used to the lighting conditions, and figure out what it looks like. The camera actually looks, I think, better, but I actually would want to see it side by side to compare the actual quality of it, because this Apple store is lit like impeccably. It's like everywhere you could film, and it just looks good from whatever angle. If it was in my home studio or my house, there might be some angles where it would struggle a little bit, and I want to test those again. After the Apple event, we went to the YouTube shopping creator event here in Austin. They've got a campus here, and there was probably like around 60 people in that room. And what was cool is that you can walk in this room and immediately identify with someone who has the same exact problems that you do, from like a work perspective or a professional perspective, because it's not often that you get to meet creators in real life. And if you're a creator, you almost work solely or solely or individually, if that's the right word. Individually? Yeah, she's giving me a thumbs up. Individually. And so you don't necessarily get to jive with people and talk about all of the things that you have that are like challenges for you. And so that was really good. And it was really great to see or to meet the YouTube shop team. And we got a lot of valuable information. And it was just, I think, very timely, because, you know, as we're doing this now full time and we're going to make this work, and going to YouTube shopping event was just really, really timely. So if you're going to buy the MacBook Neo, click that link that's appearing right here. And if you buy it, it'll go to, you know, Best Buy or ABT or B&H, and you can buy it from there, and we'll earn a small commission from it. It doesn't cost you anything. So supporting the channel and supporting what we're doing, if you enjoy that, that is very much helpful. And as someone who recently went full time with this, I think, you know, this is the moment where you realize that this is why you are here. You are here to help people with figuring out what's the best thing for them from a technology standpoint, you know, Apple, Mac, iPhone, and helping them is really like the purpose that you're there for. You know, you come into this room in this creator event, and there are so many other people who are doing something similar but different. And that's the cool thing, that every single person that was in that room has like the ultimate goal of helping someone just like you. And they might be helping someone with something different. It might be technology related. It might be, there's a lot of people doing beauty makeup, which was actually kind of amazing. There were so many people, right? Like there were so many people there doing beauty and tutorials with like foundation and brushes. And I learned so much about it, probably more than I'd ever care to know. And I think even my wife and some of the people that were sitting at the table, they learned something new. And it was cool though. That was the thing that was very cool because, you're never too old to stop learning. And I learned something new today, which was a lot of fun. So that is it. We are leaving Austin tomorrow and we're heading back to Florida. So I'll have the Studio Display XDR and the citrus color MacBook Neo in hand, and look for more content this weekend, guys. Get subscribed. My name is Mike and I will talk to you guys back in Florida.